Hari Om, Namaste. Before starting Yogasana session, we would like to give an introduction to yoga. When we hear the word yoga, the first thing coming to our mind is some exercises and stretchings. But yoga is something greater than this. The word yoga derives from Sanskrit root yuj, means merge, union, or become one. When our mind and soul become one, we can call it is yoga or union of living soul and supreme soul. It is also known as union of Jivatma and Paramatma. According to yoga philosophy, there are four main paths to attain yoga. They are Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Raja Yoga, or we can call it Ashtanga Yoga also. Karma Yoga is the way of action when we do our actions with skillfulness, enthusiasm, and full consciousness without expecting anything in return. It leads to yoga. Second one is Bhakti Yoga. It is the way of devotion when we fully surrender to God with love and compassion, chanting mantras, singing bhajans, satsangs, offering to God, and so on, that leads to supreme bliss. Third one is Jnana Yoga. It is the positive way of self-realization through knowledge. Study teachings like Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Sutra, Yoga Vasishtam, etc. and live according to that philosophy will lead us to the self-realization. Fourth one is Raja Yoga, or we call it Ashtanga Yoga. It has 8 steps: Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. These are the 8 steps. Yama is external discipline. Check and controls like truthfulness, honesty, non-violence, no stealing, etc. Niyama is internal discipline. Purity and cleanness in mind, speech, and body, happiness, acceptance, optimism, self-discipline, study of Vedas and philosophy, surrender to God, etc. Third is asana. Asanas are easy and comfortable postures for one can sit for meditation or spiritual practice. Fourth is pranayama, and it is the control of breath, the vital energy, by which we can control senses and mind. Pratyahara is the withdrawal of the senses, which is running outwards most of the time. Dharana is the concentration or focusing of mind into one point. Dhyana is the meditation, and Samadhi is the realization of the Supreme Being, Brahma, or union of mind and soul. Patanjali Maharshi's Yoga Sutra is the authentic book on yoga. It says yoga in one sentence: Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, meaning control of mind is yoga. According to Patanjali, the only reference about asana is Sthiram Sukham Asana, means constant, comfortable posture. Another authentic book on yoga is Swatwa Raman's Hatha Yoga Pratipika. It describes 84 main postures and breathing exercises. It deals with the well-being of body and mind. Here we are practicing the traditional Hatha Yoga, which leads us to Raja Yoga. See you soon with our beginners videos. Bye for now. Hari Om. ధన్యవాదాలు.